if the people, my ideal audience, are entrepreneurs and business owners, as far as on the entrepreneur side, what would be your advice to people that's watching this right now?
My advice would be just start now because a lot of people think you have to know everything before you get started. There's so much information to know about business and it can be overwhelming just to take that first step. So take that first step, then you take that second step, bring right people around you to help you along the way, and you will see how far you can go, and you will actually be surprised how far you can go.